Hi, my name's Bea Carmichael. I'm Global Educator for Aveda. I'm here to talk to you today about the new Invati Ultra Advanced system. I love Invati Advanced. I've been hairdressing for over 30 years, and this is something that I've used a lot on my clients in salon, and particularly clients that are concerned about thinning hair, and it really helps to build their confidence when they see and get the hair that they want. It's a fantastic system for thicker, fuller hair, and it helps prevent hair loss due to breakage. So there's two formulas in the new system, and you have a light formula for fine to medium hair densities, and this is somebody that feels like they're concerned about a product being too heavy for their hair, so you would always use the light formula. If your hair then is thicker, you're going to work with the rich formula, which has more conditioning properties and is perfect for the medium to thick hair densities. So the two new additions to the system, the first one is our new formula, which includes a rich conditioner. So this is for all hair types that are a medium to thick density. And we have our new fortifying leave-in treatment, which is fantastic for detangling hair, and also it gives you heat protection. The two products that are my favourite in the system to get more volume are, first of all, our revitalising scalp serum, and this is fantastic. You can use this straight out of the shower. You just apply it directly to the scalp, or you can use it on your non-wash days, and this is just great if you just want to lift the roots up and get that little bit of volume. But if you really want that great styling experience and that thicker, fuller hair, then turn to Invati thickening foam, which is going to give you this fullness and this volume in your styling part of your system. So even if you've got thick hair, our new system is fantastic for you, because thick is never enough. So whether you are using the shampoo, the conditioner, our revitalizer and our leave-in treatment, this all protects the hair against breakage, and that's really important if you're really concerned about thinning hair. Then when it comes to your styling aspect of this system, we've got the foam, which adds the thickness and the fullness to hair. There's something for you in that regime.